All right, ladies and gentlemen, my part just came in. Like, I should have videoed the truck. Oh, they're right there. Amazon. My part just came in. Dang it! Hope I didn't mess this up. It came with about probably 6 of these. And the tool. Paid about, I think it was $13. This one right here, my dealership messed up my vehicle and they're saying it wasn't them. Look at that. That's leaking like crazy, man. So about to change my oil. Follow along, I'll do a video and show you step by step how to do that. So I was waiting on my camera lady to come help me, but I figured it out. So this is the drain plug right here. Hopefully the light is good. This is the tool. So there we go. So all you do is just push this tool in here, and it's simple. The drain plug, you can turn it. I've tried to tighten it with a screwdriver already, and it's worked, but I think maybe the O-ring is messed up because it's still leaking. So I'm gonna just change the oil and then put a new screw in it and stop the leak. Here's my oil. I'm using Castrol synthetic. 0W20 is the recommended viscosity. Hopefully Walmart book was right. This is the oil filter that it recommends. And while I'm here, I'll show you the package it came in. So here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it gave me 6. It gave me 6 of them, and the tool. I think it was 13. It was either $13 or $15. I just can't remember. It's been a hectic week. I've been stressing over this oil leak. I just moved the car into the garage, getting prepped. But I wanted to show y'all how bad Volkswagen messed up my vehicle. Look at that. That's crazy. Never taking it back to them. Right after popping the hood. Oil filters right here. Google says 32 socket. First time changing it, so I had to Google it. So you just take this cover off. It just pops right up, right? See? Pop right up. It's just four rubber. What do you call it? Bushings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just pull it straight up and it comes off. And then here's the oil filter. It even tells you which direction to tighten. So you're just gonna pull this up, and that's it. So oil dipstick. Ain't got no oil in it. But yeah, oil dipstick. Get the oil to drain faster. You loosen the cap and put it somewhere safe that you're not gonna lose it. I'll put it in here. Then I'll place this on the floor so it doesn't fall. Here's the socket I bought. I'm not gonna advertise the brand because they don't pay me. But just tested it. It fits. So now I could pop the tag. All right, so I jacked up the car and it's already leaking. But here is the oil drain pan. Right here. Feels kind of plasticky. But yeah, this is the drain plug right there. Let me get a bit. Right here is the drain plug with all the oil coming out of it. I'll switch up and give you a better angle. All right, so here's the drain plug right here. So we use that tool lefty loosey, righty tighty, and then all the oil will come out. All right, so I got my handy dandy tool. This tool feel like it's not lining up. What's going on? Come on, Amazon, don't fail me. Okay, tool lined up. It's in there. Make sure I got this on camera. All right, tool lined up. Easy turn. That was pretty easy. All right, oil is draining. I'm gonna get my tool out of there. Oil is draining. If you don't have the cap off, it'll drain a lot slower. All kind of black though. What's going on? Volkswagen, y'all not giving me good oil. So here's my drain plug. I don't see much of a difference. This feels a little rough up top, but I think what was causing the leak, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. See the O-ring? My O-ring, of course, you can see this one because it's a different color. This one is a lot thinner, so I don't know if it just wore over time, or they changed the oil, damaged it a little bit. I can't see it with my eyes, but it could have worn because it was like put in improperly, and then it started leaking, so it wasn't thick enough. But yeah, so all right, all the oil is draining. The pan is directly underneath here, so if a little fluid come out, it'll catch it. But I'm gonna loosen change the filter right now. And I could hear the oil dripping down. But yeah, there you go. There's your filter. You can see the oil. It just went down. I don't know if you can see it. But this is the housing. It's kind of hot, so yeah. My pops used to hold pots with his bare hands, so I'm kind of immune to heat. But yeah, I don't know if Volkswagen changed my oil, man. It's October 4th. They were supposed to change it in March. These last for 10,000 miles. So this filter look like really dirty. Y'all seen the oil? It looks disgustingly dirty. Yeah, the oil looks dirty. But yeah, you could drain this on the drain pan. Filter's out. Cleaned up the housing, just dried it off a little bit. I don't trust my rag to wipe in there, but if you have something that's clean enough, this is really a wash towel. Unprepared. But it comes with a filter. It comes with an O-ring right here. So the O-ring's right here, where my thumb is. I got me a flathead, small flathead that I'm gonna use and just use it to lift it up and just slip this one back in. I'll try to get it on video, but I don't have my stand, and of course I need both hands. All right, so I improvised, made a little stand right there. So I like to keep my car looking fresh, so I don't want to scratch it. But yeah, you just hook it. Bada bing. Wipe it off a little bit more just to get rid of all that excess oil. You could put some oil on the ring, some new oil. So I'm gonna put the ring on, but just add some oil to it. So what I'll do is I'll just dip my finger in it a little bit. Put some on the O-ring. And then just slip it on. This one feels kind of tight. I don't want to damage it either. But yeah, here you go. It's on. Of course, just make sure it's in the groove completely. I feel a little bit of oil, so I'm gonna just clean here. Get the dirty oil out of here. Gonna grab my filter. Just push it in. Push it in. Oh, you better line up, boy. Oh, okay. Sure. You heard that? Stays in. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Find the housing right here, and just line it up. Where the heck is it? So you line it up. There we go. I recommend hand tighten first so you don't strip it. Gotta feel a little greasy, so I use my towel and hand tighten it. Once you hand tighten it, it does tell you the torque that you could put it at. I don't have a torque wrench right now. I've moved like thousands of times. I'm in a different state than where all my tools are, so just purchased new tools. But you could torque it, but I'll just tighten it. You're not trying to tighten it too much, but once it gets tight, I just give it one turn, and that's it. Oil is drained, so I'm gonna put the new drain plug in. I'm gonna start it with my hands and then do it with the tool. So there you go. Sorry you missed it, but yeah, lefty loosey, righty tighty, simple thing. Alright, got my tool. It just pushes right in, so you'll know once you get it. And then you just tighten it. It's in. You just tighten it. You're not trying to pop the O-ring, so it's not too tight. I remember this is plastic, so you don't want to put too much force on it, but it's pretty simple. It gets tight. Matter of fact, it's slipping out my hand because it's already where it needs to be. And this is my left hand. I'm a righty, so that's when you know it's tight. All right, it's tightened. I use my handy dandy tool. Pretty simple. It doesn't get too tight. Like, you don't have to put force on it. I use my left hand. I'm a right-handed person. Yeah, and you just tighten it. I'm gonna lower it now. Add oil. Check for leaks. And then we're good to go. I'll do a reset of the light, and that's it.